Hello, hello, it's Susan from Tama Gems. Today we are going to make these beautiful gemstone and pearl earrings. Okay, let's make these beautiful earrings. The supplies you'll need: turquoise chips. You'll need 4 3mm round gold beads, 2 amethyst chips, 2 larmiar chips, 2 head pins. You'll need 4 inches of gold tone wire. This is 22 gauge, 2 leverbacks, and 2 8mm pearls. For tools, you'll need round nose pliers, bent chain nose pliers, flush cutters, and chain nose pliers. We're going to start by wire wrapping one end, come down about 1.5 inches, bend the wire to the back, use your round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate your pliers, and bring the wire to the back. Straighten out your loop. You're going to hang on to your loop with your chain nose pliers. Get your bent chain nose pliers and wrap around your loop. Now we can cut off the excess with our flush cutters. And pinch down the burr. We're going to add our larmiar, spacer, amethyst, spacer, and our 5 turquoise chips. Then we're going to wire wrap the top. Come in with our chain nose pliers, pinch down right above the turquoise, bring the wire to the back, come in with our round nose pliers, bring the wire up, over, down, rotate our pliers, bring the wire to the back. So now what we can do is we can either wire wrap this and add this later, or we can open the door here and add this now. So let me show you how I do this by opening the door and adding the lever back on. Slip it through, hold the loop down, and start wire wrapping with our bent chain nose pliers. Now I'm going to cut off the excess. And pinch down the burr. Okay, let's start in on our other earring side. We're going to do the same thing as the first. We're going to wire wrap one side, come down about 1.5 inches, bring the wire to the back, come in with our round nose pliers, bring the wire up, over, down, rotate the pliers, bring the wire to the back. We're going to hang on to our loop that we just made, and we're going to wire wrap this around. Using our bent chain nose pliers, we're going to come around and then cut off the excess. Now we're going to stack on our larmiar, our spacer bead, amethyst, spacer bead, and our 5 turquoise chips. Now we're going to do our top wire wrap. Put the pliers right on top of the last turquoise. Bring the wire to the back. Use our round nose pliers. Come up, over, down. Rotate our pliers and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to open the door and slip on my lever back. Hang on to the loop that I just made. Use my bent chain nose pliers and come in and wire wrap. Cut off the excess. And pinch down the burr. Okay, now we have the tops done. Now we have to do the pearls. So we're going to use our head pin, go straight through the bottom, and we're going to do a wire wrap. So we're going to use our bent chain nose pliers first, hang on to it right at the top, come over to the back, use our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers, take the wire to the back. We're going to open the door and we're going to slip on our gemstones. Hang on to the loop that we just made. Use our bent chain nose pliers and wire wrap around. And then we're going to cut off the excess. Pinch the burr down. Okay, we have one earring completed. Let's go on to the next earring. Okay, we're going to do it the same way. Take our head pin, put it through the pearl. We're going to wire wrap using our chain nose pliers at the top. Bring the wire to the back, switch out our pliers, use our round nose pliers, hang on to the wire, bring it up, over, down, rotate our pliers, bring the wire to the back, and slip out our pliers. Then we're going to wire wrap this to the end of this. So we need to hang on to our loop, open the door, slip on our gemstones and wire wrap this. So we're going to hang on to the loop that we made. Use our bent chain as pliers and come around. Cut off the excess. And pinch down our burr. And there you have your beautiful gemstone and pearl earrings.